Hello, in this episode of Design Highlight, we'll take a look at Wukong Sang-taek Woo, freelance concept artist from Suwon, South Korea. So Wukong has a number of works. I really like the boxy little warehouse vehicles here. I also like the fact that Wukong can draw very nice more traditional artwork as well. So I always like when artists can do 3D, 2D, and there's a wide variety of subject matter here, from more fantasy works to more futuristic and everything in between. So let's take a look at some of them. First off, we've got this Capsule House. I'm assuming inspired by Dragon Ball Z. But even if not, it's still a very nice design here. Just a very cute aesthetic here and a very good sense of detail as well. This was made with Octane Renderer, 3D Coat, Keyshot, and Photoshop. Next, we've got this really nice vehicle design. So I just think it has the, just the right detail, just the right place. So the details are not overloaded, and they just are very aesthetically pleasing. Not too much, not too little. Next up, we've got this sphere vehicle design. So just a nice, uniquely shaped, cozy vehicle right here. Next, we've got this three-wheeler vehicle design. We've got one of my favorites right here, this prop design minicar version 2. It is a single-person delivery car operated in the mart. So it's got some nice functional details here. Cup holder, car net, refrigerator, luggage compartment, handle. And some nice details like a little plush, just adding some personality here. Some nice FedEx details, some realistic boxes here. Some envelopes and papers. So you can imagine somebody working in something like this and transporting things around. Next up, we've got another mini car right here. So a person just gets in there and operates it. Just wonderful use of color here, wonderful use of detailing areas of more complex detail and areas of rest. So just a very nice balance, just a very nice sense of detail. Next, just some nice sci-fi prop design. And a lot of these works are done in 3D coats, and you can tell because of the voxels, it looks kind of jagged in many situations. I can always tell when 3D coat is being used because you definitely see the kind of jagged edges in many situations. But 3D coat is just a very nice design tool with how it uses voxels. Next, we've got this nice fancy image of a knight on a horse going up against a bunch of apes and a big King Kong albino ape creature. Here's a nice action scene, some sort of motocross action scene looks like. Vehicle, bike, P90, enemies, vehicles. I don't know how those vehicles, this is one of those action scenes, guys, where it looks really cool, but then you realize that everyone here is just seconds away from death, because I don't think these cars or bikes can make it through this rocky terrain. But it looks very nice here. It's a very nice composition. Here we've got this machine arm sell shop, a store selling machine arms in an alley early in the morning. So this almost looks like a photo basher, like a butcher shop. You got some butcher type elements here. But it's a cyberpunk future where the guy's selling machine arms. So it's a nice contrast between the modern day butcher shop and some more sci-fi futuristic elements. Nice little picture right here, ruins, made with Photoshop, 3D Coat, and Blender. So what I'm guessing is that Blender and 3D Coat are used for some basic elements, some 3D setup and proportions, and foreshortening, getting the elements in place, and then Photoshop is used to just add detail on top. And another nice image right here, 3D Coat, Octane Render, and Photoshop. There's a lot of times when you make a render, the rendering program, it looks very static and lacking detail. And so you go into Photoshop for adding a lot of small details, reflections, dust, lights that just would take a lot more time with 3D. But it's very quick and efficient with Photoshop. Alright guys, be sure to check out Wukong's work. Link is in the description. Thank you for watching and take care.